Guys, for your math lesson today, I want to go over something that's always a little tricky for third graders, and you probably came across it. I'm going to adjust my camera here in a sec so you can see my face, but I want you to be able to see this whole word problem. Maybe you won't see my face so that we can see the rest of the board. Mrs. Harrison had 67 cupcakes. She gave 11 cupcakes to her friend. She put the rest into boxes of 8. How many boxes did she fill with cupcakes? Now, I'm looking at this and I don't know what operation this is. It doesn't look like multiplication to me. I don't know what I'd multiply. It's not really equal groups. Well, I see some keywords, and this is what I want to do. I want to look for keywords that might give me a clue as to what operation I use. So look, this is telling me she gave 11. When you give something away, you're usually using subtraction, especially if we want to know how many are left. Okay, so I think I've got to subtract. Okay, but then there's more, isn't there? There's something else it wants us to do. She put the rest into boxes of 8. Boxes, if we're putting things in boxes, we're putting things into groups, right? I'm making groups of cupcakes. They're in a box, but they're groups. And they all have 8 of them, so they're equal groups. How many boxes did she fill with cupcakes? Now I'm going to ask myself, what did Mrs. Harrison do first? Did she give cupcakes to her friends first, or did she put the rest into boxes first? I'll put the rest, so she must have given them first. Okay, this is not going to be too bad to solve. All you have to do with these two-step problems is you've got to stop. You got to do a little math detective work, right? And then you can get started on the math part. So let's take on this subtraction first. I'm going to try to color code some things so you can really see what I'm doing. Okay, gave 11 cupcakes. We'll do this part in blue. This is our subtraction. Remember, if you give things away, you're subtracting. Okay, so I started out with 67 cupcakes. And I gave away 11. How many cupcakes are left? Okay, this looks like one that I can use a break apart strategy pretty easily. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to break apart this into 60 and 7. Okay, 60 minus a 10 is what? You have it? 50. Nice work. 7. We subtract the 1. 7 minus 1 equals 6. And this is my answer, right? 56. Okay. Am I done? No. We're not done yet. Here's what I want you to do. You have 56 cupcakes, and you're going to put them into boxes of 8. I want you to pause the video, get out your piece of paper or a marker board, whatever you're working on at home, and I want you to try to solve that. And when you're done, hit play, and we'll talk it over, okay? Hopefully you're back and you've solved the problem. You've got a good answer, and you think you know where we're going to go with this. So here we go. I'm going to switch my marker color so you can see this is a new step. We're doing something different. We're now putting them into groups of 8. This does not look like fair sharing, does it? This is we can call this building boxes for today, or filling boxes. So I'm going to start over here. I'm just going to kind of make a little line so you can see where I was working. Okay, I'm going to start here with a box of 8. If you're comfortable adding 8s, just write the number 8 in it. But if you might need a little help with your counting, you can put tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is a box of cupcakes, right? Let's go on to the next one. How many cupcakes do I put in this box? 8 of them. And I'm going to keep counting from where I left off. So this made 8. I like to make a little note under it so I don't forget if I get off track. I forget what I'd counted. I can always come back and just start from there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I had 56 cupcakes, right? So I'm still handing them out. I might even cross out rest and say, I know that's 56. That way I don't forget. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Gotta keep going. Still more cupcakes. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All the way to 56, right? Still more cupcakes. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Ooh, I bet some of you are thinking there's 16 left, and I know how many boxes of 8 you can make with 16. Let's go ahead and we'll put them out here. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. $51, $52, $53, $54, $55, $56. What happened? What went wrong? I was supposed to put them in boxes of 8, and I had 56 of them. Do you see where I made a mistake? I see it. I think I got carried away with my counting here because look, 40 plus 8 isn't 50. Sometimes we do mistakes like that. I'll tell you, I didn't do that one on purpose. My brain must be somewhere else today. Okay, so I'm going to start back counting from 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Now it's going to work just fine. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. What is our question asking us? What is the answer going to be? We may need to look back to the problem. Is my answer 56? No, we've got to see what it's asking for. How many boxes did she fill with cupcakes? So we need to count the boxes that we just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She filled 7 boxes with cupcakes. And now, just so that anyone who looks at my work knows what my answer means, I'm going to write a unit after it. It's important. We always want to label our work. So this isn't 7 cupcakes. It's not 7 days of baking cupcakes. It's 7 boxes of cupcakes. And I have labeled that, and that is my final answer. We did our math problem today in 2 steps. We used subtraction and we used division to build groups. Is this what you got? Did you get the same answer? If you didn't get the same answer, I would encourage you to do what we did together today. We went back and we looked to see, where did we go wrong? Where did we make a mistake? Remember, mistakes are how we learn. There's nothing wrong with making a mistake. I hope you have a really great rest of your afternoon. I'll see you next time.